Hi students and family members, it's Mr. Panza. Today we're going to take a look at the review sheet that you can download here on my website and practice writing numbers in standard form, expanded form, and written word form. Let's take a quick look at a reminder of each strategy that will help you write into each different form. When changing numbers into standard form, follow these 3 steps. Sing the place value song, step 1, create a place value chart, step 2, and place the numbers in the correct position of place value, step 3. When creating numbers in expanded form, the same 3 steps apply, but then step 4 says replace any of the place values to the right of the number with a number 0, and repeat this step for every single digit. And finally, to write numbers in written word form, just say the number out loud, write exactly what you say, and you've got it. If you need a refresher lesson on any of these, just check out the instructional video directly to the left here on Mr. Panza's website. Now let's try it out. Check out the review page. The first 2 questions give me expanded form numbers, and I am being asked to write in standard form. So if I remember my directions, I've got to make sure that I first sing the place value song and create a place value chart. This is what that looks like, sounds like, and feels like. Well, this goes to the 10,000, so that's where I'm going to stop my song. It starts with ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, followed by thousands, 10,000s, then I stop, because now I can fill each individual place value up with each of these numbers that can represent a standard form number. The 3 in the 10,000s place value, the 2 goes into the thousands place value, the 5 in the hundreds place value, the 40, the 4 in the tens place value, and the 6 in the ones, which gives me the standard form version, 32,546, of this expanded form number. In fact, if you take this number and you add it up into a calculator, you would get this number. The same thing can be said for the second one, but I want you to try that one out on your own. Numbers 3 and 4 ask me a different type of direction. They give me these numbers in standard form, and they want me to stretch them out and write it in expanded form. Some students like to write it from left to right. Other students, if you're like me, use the strategy and write it top to bottom. So that's what I'm going to show you here for question number 3. The first thing I would do is I'd check out the fact that the 6 is my highest place value in the 10,000s, and I would create a place value chart over here on the right that goes to the 10,000s place value. Starts with ones, then the tons, then the hundreds, followed by thousands, 10,000s, then I stop. And I can rewrite the entire number if I want to, 67,243. But recognize that each of these numbers to the right of the 6 turn into zeros, because I'm trying to find out what each individual digit is worth. That's what I'm doing when I'm creating an expanded form number. So then I take the next number, which is 7, create a place value chart, and then write the 7 in the thousands, and everything else to the right becomes a 0. I just repeat this step for the next 3 numbers, and I'm going to come up with my expanded form number for question number 3. Everything to the right of each place value turns into a 0 until I get to the ones, which just holds this number here. So my expanded form number of 67,243 is 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 3. Which leaves us to question number 5, writing this number in written word form. So if I see the number, I need to say that number out loud and write exactly what I say. How do I say this? I combine the 2 and the 8 and say 28. That comma tells me that it's 1,000, and then I just combine these 3 numbers here and write it down. I say it 28,295, and then I write exactly what I say, 28,295. That's how you can practice writing in standard, expanded, and written word form. I hope this video helped.